Okay guys, let me show you how to remove an object from an image on Photoshop. So first thing you need to do, you need to click on your lasso tool, then you select round the object. Sorry. You you have to select round the object with your lasso tool. Then you right click, you see content aware fill, you click on it and it will preview. Then you click OK. As you can see, we have successfully removed object from the image. So that is how to remove an object from an image. Thank you very much. Please, if you find this helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Touch Graphics, on Facebook, Touch Graphics. See you on my next video. Capiche?